What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making healthy blueberry crisp. I've even got some tips on how you can make this low carb. Let's get started. First, you want to take 4 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries and then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 cup of sweetener. I like to use monk fruit sweetener. And then going to give that a good mix. And then combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and add that to your blueberries. This will help thicken up the sauce. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that up. And then you want to take an 8x8 baking dish and spray that with cooking spray. And then place the blueberries into the bottom of that pan. Then you want to take 1 cup of rolled oats or low-carb granola and add 1/4 cup of brown sweetener. I use monk fruit here, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then go ahead and give that a good mix. And then spread that over the blueberries in your baking dish. And then you want to bake that for 25 to 30 minutes uncovered until the top is crispy and crunchy and golden brown. And there you have it. I like to serve this with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream.